Simplify fully x over 2 plus 3x over 5 divided by the square root of x to the 6 over 4. So we need to deal with the addition in the bracket first. We're adding fractions there, so we need a common denominator. For 2 and 5, 10 is a good common denominator. We've multiplied the bottom here by 5, we have to do the same to the top. We've multiplied the bottom here by 2, we have to do the same to the top. And don't forget, this is still divided by the square root of x to the 6 over 4, which we'll deal with in a moment. So this is going to be 11x divided by 10. Now let's think about this. The square root of x over 6 is the square root of x to the 6 over the square root of 4. Square root as a power is a half. Square root of 4 is 2. In this situation here, we multiply the indices. So that ends up being x cubed. So we have x cubed over 2. Dividing fractions, remember KFC, you keep the first fraction the same. You flip the second fraction upside down. So that will be 2 over x cubed. And you change the divide to a multiply. Then we can see we can do some cancelling here. This will become a 5 and this will become a 1. 2 goes into 2 once, it goes into 10 5 times. And with the x's, well, let's do the multiplication, we'll sort the x's out in a moment. So we have 11x over 5x cubed. Remember, that's an x to the 1. So we're doing x to the 1 divided by x to the 3. That's x to the negative 2, which could be an x to the negative 2 on top, but it would be better if it was an x squared on the bottom. You could think of it as being x over x times x times x. 1 cancels like that, and we've got 1 over x squared. So we've got 11 over 5x squared. Note that 11x to the negative 2 over 5 and 2.2 x to the negative 2 and 2.2 over x squared were all accepted answers.